Well, you're about to see my last run for the day because I'm about ticked off to the point of no return.
No return.
No return. Here's what I've done. I hardwired my head unit, so of course it's on with the car. There ain't even any keys over there hanging. And it's hardwired in. I didn't have any 10 gauge rolling. I had to use like 14 gauge. Hardwired straight to the battery. It's still clipped, or not clipped. I don't know what it's doing. It's cutting out. And I wired my subs up to 4 ohms instead of 1 ohm. So let's see what happens on this run. I'll cross my fingers, but I don't know. I'm fucking losing it. Oh, God. The amp kicks on. I hear the fan in it.
Sure this time. Crank it again.
Mark says he sees light. They're not cutting out though. Shut that back at. It ain't skipping. I didn't turn it up way.